Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. So I've got a really great video for you today. While I fly my drone around my house in Blanca, Colorado, I'm going to list off the best ski resorts in the United States. And here's my methodology. I asked ChatGPT and Gemini and Grok. I asked all three AI systems, what are the 20 best ski resorts in the United States? 13 of them showed up on all three of the search results, and so I'm going to share the list of 13 best ski resorts with you today. These are in alphabetical order. The first one is Aspen Snowmass. Aspen Snowmass is in Colorado. ChatGPT describes it as 4 mountains, luxury vibes, great après-ski. The next one is Big Sky in Montana. Huge resort, low crowds, and diverse terrain. Next up is Breckenridge, which is in Colorado. And again, ChatGPT says it has high elevation, great for all skill levels. Breckenridge is actually my favorite of all. Next up is Deer Valley, which is located in Utah, described as high-end service, no snowboards allowed. All right, next up is Jackson Hole. This one is located in Wyoming. This is described as having extreme terrain, steep runs, and breathtaking scenery. Next up is Mammoth Mountain in California. This is described as having a long season with great terrain parks. Next up, Park City in Utah. I skied here a few seasons ago and absolutely loved it. Described as being the largest ski resort in the U.S. with great nightlife. Next up, Snowbird, which is located in Utah. Best for powder lovers, and it is linked to Alta ski resort. Next up is Steamboat, which is in Colorado. I would love to ski here someday. Steamboat Springs. I've never been there, but hope to get there someday. Famous for champagne powder and tree skiing. Next up is Stowe, which is in Vermont. Classic New England skiing with a great village. Next up, Sun Valley, which is located in Idaho. I've never skied in Idaho. I have camped over there though, and such a scenic area. Seems like it would be amazing to spend more time over there. But Sun Valley, Idaho, historic resort, great groomers, and minimal crowds. Next up is Telluride. I've never skied at Telluride because I always buy the Epic Local Pass, and Telluride is on the full Epic Pass. So maybe I'll get over there someday. We'll wait and find out. Telluride, Colorado, stunning views, uncrowded slopes, and challenging runs. And finally, Vail, Colorado. This is probably one of my top 3 favorite ski resorts. Massive terrain, world-class village, and back bowls. If you enjoy skiing, I'm getting ready to take a ski trip later this month. In January, I hit Breckenridge, Vail, and Keystone. So I might do the same resorts. I might switch it up a little bit. I'd like to get to Beaver Creek. That's a pretty cool one as well. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because I've got more ideas in regards to asking AI specific questions like, what are the best national parks in the U.S.? What are the best campgrounds in the U.S.? What are the best beaches in the U.S.? So if this video gets good results, then I'll probably keep on with this theme of videos. But anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.